Your Excellency, I have the honor to present Mr. Rade Stefanovic, Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the Republic of Serbia to the Republic of Fiji.
Your Excellency, it is an honor for me to present the letters of credence of His Excellency Mr. Aleksandar Vučić, the President of the Republic of Serbia, addressed to Your Excellency, accrediting me as the Ambassador of the Republic of Serbia to the Republic of Fiji. I also have the honor to present the letters of recall of my predecessor.
Your Excellency, I am pleased to receive your credentials. I welcome you most warmly to the Republic of Fiji, and I wish you a happy and successful mission. Please convey to His Excellency, the President, the Government, and the people of the Republic of Serbia warmest wishes for their continued well-being, peace, and prosperity.
Rade, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Very happy to be here.
Great.
Thank you very much. It's
Water jug.
Thank you very much. I mean, it will have a special place in our home.
Thank you.
You know,
Thank you, sir.
to remind us of
Thank
this
you.
really nice and pleasant occasion.
Naka.
Thank you.
Jesi maknula?
Thank you. It was a pleasure to meet you.
It was
Thank you.
a real pleasure.
Thank you.